Let's see if any lights come on.
Check.
Oh.
No lights?
Okay, we got lights.
Don't start it. Don't start it. Pull your jet can. Yo, turn off the headlights, my boy.
The right blinker doesn't work, but your left one does. Oh, yeah, it does. It does.
Oh, wait, they're down there. Wait, hit it again. Okay, go to the left one. We have tail lights?
We have 0 brakes, bro. I'm pressing this thing to the floor.
I know. Save the battery. Don't kill the lights. Or use the lights anyway. This one has a square, so it saves lots. This one has a freaking aftermarket nut, which I need to aftermarket.
Should I start pumping this? Get some fuel in the carb?
Could if you wanted to, but don't do it.
And it's leaking. But I don't think I care, do I?
Oh, that is some old gas.
And this is an old truck. I do not care. Help me understand.
No, don't go crazy.
Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna say it.
I think it's crossover.
No, it doesn't feel like it's crossfaded.
What size would be one of those shots? This is a good idea.
Cut the cameras.
Good enough.
They're going to crank it. You watch.
I'm nervous, bro.
You watch. I'm nervous, bro. You ready?
Clutch has to be in. Make sure it's in neutral. You might? Okay, hit it.
1 hour later.
Can I give it some gas?
Try it, I guess. I don't think we're getting spark on all cylinders.
Here, 1 second. Nah, it's definitely missing. Like
It's definitely the flux capacitor, I think.
Boy, if you don't.
What's that smell, bro?
Shit.
Oh, it was definitely firing something.
No, this garage has already burnt down once.
Really?
Yeah, there's an intake manifold here somewhere.
You did not, bro.
Where's your camera?
Oh, there.
You
You went, I said, be careful.
Dude, I did 2 shots. I was like,
That's what it
Alright.
smells like. It smells like ether and something else.
cylinder 1.
You want to pull the plug, see if they're wet at all?
They should be wet.
All of them?
Doesn't matter. It's a carburetor. It can't not be wet. What I think is the issue
Yeah, tell me.
is I have my firing order in the wrong order. And I took those off.
That does make sense. Here's what we're working with. You want to tell us a little something about this?
See, pre-ignition, your spark plug would look like that. High-speed glazing, look like that. Interesting, that. Detonation.
Okay, what is this?
This is a 1992 Isuzu pickup I found on Marketplace February 2 years ago for $300. I picked it up for. Bought it for the manual. 3 of the tires leak air. One of them is so bald that you could mistake it thinking it has cancer or something like that.
Okay. I'm starting for it. I'm going to do a couple. And the battery needs to be hooked up. Wait, open the throttle. Close it.
My O2 sensor is bad.
Oh.
Nothing. Feel how hot the battery terminals are.
I think I'm good, bro.
Are they smoking?
No.
What's it looking like?
They're good.
Put your hand over and choke it.
No, bro. I'm not using my
Let's
hand.
see, just choke it.
I'll use something else to choke it, but not my hand.
Why?
Heck no. It's gonna backfire.
He is not a happy camper.
You've also got lines everywhere that aren't hooked up. Vacuum leak. Another vacuum leak? Are you kidding?
Dude, there's a lot of vacuum leaks. That's why I don't like this thing.
That's right. I won't start. You want to work on the boat?
Yeah.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. That's a racing gear right there. I'm gonna stick it back in gear.
Flammable this is.
You want to test that?
I do actually.
WD-40.
So it is flammable, but it's not. It needs a spark. So that's good. So just no loose sparks, and it should be fine.
I guess we'll both have at it.
Chill out. We're not spray painting this.
Every moving
Go grab your phone so I can shine the light, please.
Give her an old.
All the linkages. 1,001 uses. One of them better be. Oh, yep. Look at that. It protects the metals.
Yep.
Just spray about 3 quarts in there and call her quits. When it
Does she
catches
still
fire.
move? Dude, it doesn't move.
No.
Okay.
Hold it up more now. It's smoother.
You should put engine oil on it.
How am I gonna get engine oil up in there? It's better.
Is it?
It is.
Hey. Yep, there's definitely a coyote up there.
Even makes good for.
You're coming with me, whether you like it or not.
They had 0 PSI.
Oh my god, it's a snake!
It was enormous.
That's your girlfriend. Look who fell asleep first. Prank him, John.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. And his name is John C.